National Tobacco Control Program is a national health intervention program to control the usage of tobacco related products. Tobacco is the common name for several plants in the Nicotiana genus family belonging to Solanaceae. Any product prepared from the cured leaves of tobacco plants causes tobacco. More than 70 species of tobacco are known, but more than 70 species of tobacco are known. Amongst the Nicotiana tobacco products are most commonly used. These tobacco causes main risk factors like producing chronic diseases like cancer, lung diseases, and cardiovascular diseases. In India, second largest producer and consumer of tobacco, and India various forms of tobacco products are used. There are cigarettes, BDs, cigars, plethora, smokeless forms of consumption exist in our India. There are different types of tobacco products are used in India. There are cigarettes, pipe tobacco, cigars, snuffs, chewing tobacco, and herbal cigarettes, and also using gutka, chewing, bidi, jarda, chotapan, kaini, maya. These are the another type of products related to tobacco. How do people use their tobacco? People can smoke or chewing or sniff the tobacco related products in their mouth. Tobacco smoked tobacco products are cigarettes, cigars, bidis and crickets, and non-smoke or smokeless tobacco products are placed in pipes or hookah is called as water pipe, and chewed tobacco products are including chewing tobacco, snuffs, dip, and snus. There are different types of tobacco products can be used. The second hand smoke means it is the second hand smoke is the combination of smoke from the burning end of cigarette and smoke breathed out by the smokers. The second hand smoke contains more than 7,000 chemicals having hundreds of toxic and 70% can cause cancer by second hand smoke. This second hand smoke causes serious injury to the children and other persons. The third hand smoke means the third hand smoke can be obtained from cigarettes, cigars, vaping niconate pipes, marijuana, bong or water pipe, vaping and hookah. These bongs and hookah and pipes are can be used in olden days. These third hand tobacco smoke is placing of toxic residues attached to the surfaces and dust after the smoke clears. This is the difference between first hand smoke and second hand smoke and third hand smoke. The third hand smoke are attached to the dressing materials, cloths, and placed in the household. National Tobacco Control Program. The Ministry of Health and Government of Health and Family Welfare and Government of India is launched the National Tobacco Control Program in the year 2007 to 8. It is comes under 11th 5-year plan. The major aim of National Tobacco Control Program is create awareness about the harmful effects caused by the consumption of tobacco and tobacco related products, reduce the production and supply of tobacco products, and effective implementation of provisions under the Cigarettes and Other Tobacco Products Act 2003 COPTA, Prohibition of Advertisements and Regulation of Trade and Commerce, Production, Supply and Distribution, helps the peoples to quit the tobacco and tobacco related products usage, and implementation of strategies for prevention and control of tobacco advocated by World Health Organization. The major objectives of National Tobacco Control Program is involves the create awareness about harmful effects of tobacco, and also it involves various activities for control the tobacco usage by using training and capacity building of health and social workers, non-governmental organizations, school teachers, and enforcement officers, and giving information, education, and communication activities and school programs, monitoring the tobacco control laws and reporting them, and conducting survey and surveillance. The major scope of National Tobacco Control Program is providing training of health and social workers, non-governmental organizations, school teachers and enforcement officers, and giving information, education and communication activities, conducting school programs to create awareness about harmful effects of tobacco consumption and tobacco related products usage, and coordination with Panchayati Raj institutions for village level activities, setting up and strengthening the cessation facilities, providing pharmacological treatment facilities at establishment of institutions at district level. The rules and regulations under National Tobacco Control Program is offense for smoking in public areas is prohibited. There is direct or indirect advertisements of tobacco products, including sponsorship and promotion, are prohibited, and it may be punishable offenses. Sale of tobacco and tobacco related products to the minors, it can be prohibited, and it can be punishable offenses. Sale of tobacco products within the 10 ads of educational institutions is prohibited. It is punishable offenses. It is mandatory to display the pictorial warnings on tobacco products packages. These are the various rules and regulations under NTCP, National Tobacco Control Program. These are the various rules and regulations under National Tobacco Control Program. Next one, by giving advices to the patients, tobacco kills and no smoking areas. Tobacco Control Act implemented in 2003 includes prohibition of smoking in public places, implemented in 2nd October 2018 in all over India. It includes prohibition of advertisements, sponsorship and promotion of tobacco products, prohibition of sale of tobacco and tobacco related products near to the educational institutions, regulation of health warning in tobacco products packs, regulation of tar and nicotine contents in the tobacco and tobacco products. Under the section 4 of the Tobacco Control Act 2003 includes prohibition on smoking in public places. In Smoking in public places are prohibited. Public place means any place to which public having access of right and not and include auditoriums, hospital buildings, railway waiting rooms, amusement centers, restaurants, public offices, court buildings, educational institutions, libraries, public convenience. These are public places. The prohibition shall be applied to the another places those are visited by public are open auditoriums, stadiums, railway stations, bus stop and other places. If in case of any person is smoking in their public places, offense punishable with up 200 rupees and 200 is compoundable. The public places can be display the no smoking zone and please do not smoke these labels or boards are displayed in the public areas. Next one under the section 5 of Tobacco Control Act 2003 prohibition of advertisements of all tobacco products. Any advertisements includes any visible representation by way of notice, circulars, labels, wrappers or any other document also include the any announcement made by using orally or by means of producing or transmitting light, sound or smoke or gas. All forms of audio, visual, print media can be included and both direct and indirect advertisements are prohibited. Total ban of sponsoring of any sports or cultural events by cigarettes and tobacco related products in their companies. The trademarks and brand names of cigarettes or any tobacco products can be promoted in their exchange for a sponsorship, gift and prize or scholarship can be prohibited. No person can under the contract or otherwise promote or agree to promote any other tobacco products. In case of any infringement of law in the following regions can be punishable or offenses. Person engaged in production, supply or distribution of tobacco products, person having control over a medium, person taking part any advertisement directly or indirectly suggest the or promote the use or consumption of tobacco products. Offense punishable up to 2 years imprisonment and fine up to 1000 rupees. In subsequent offense can be conducted by any person. Imprisonment up to 5 years and fine up to 5000. The sale of and advertisements of promotion sponsorship of all tobacco products can be banned under Tobacco Control Act 2003 section 5. Next, under section 6A under Tobacco Control Act 2003 prohibition on sale to the minors. The sale of tobacco products or tobacco related products to the persons having age below 18 years can be prohibited. The seller should be ensure that person who is buying the tobacco products is not a minor. Offense punishable with Rs 200 rupees and is compoundable. A board can be displayed at the point of the sale of tobacco and tobacco related products with minimum size of 6 meters by 30 centimeters at conspicuous places containing the following warning. Sale of tobacco products to a person under the age of 18 years is punishable offense in Indian language is applicable either English, Telugu or respective languages can be displayed in their selling areas. No person under the age of 21 may be sold tobacco products or no sale of tobacco to persons below 20 years. Fine up to 10,000 rupees. These type of labels can be displayed in the sale of shops. Next, under the section 6B of Tobacco Control Act gives the prohibition on sale of tobacco products near to the educational institutions. Under this act, educational institution is meaning is defined as any place or centers where educational institutions are imported according to their specific norms, includes schools, colleges, and institutions of higher learning establishment are recognized by an appropriate authority. It is a restrict the access of youth for tobacco products. The sale of the same is prohibited in the area within the radius of 10 acres of any educational institutions like schools, colleges, and institutions of higher learning. Distance of 100 yards shall be measured by radically starting from the outer limit of boundary wall and fence as the case may be. Educational institutions. In educational institutions, a board can be displayed. The board can be included. A board is displayed at a conspicuous places outside the premises and prominent stating that the sale of cigarettes and other tobacco products in their area within the radius of 100 yards of the educational institutions is strictly prohibited, and that is an offense punishable within the fine which may be extended to the 200 rupees. The boards must be having any type of boards. First one is welcome to tobacco free campus. No smoking and vaping or chewing. Or display these another type of boards tobacco free campus. For better health, smoking and use of tobacco and tobacco related products are prohibited everywhere in our property. These type of boards are placed in the educational institutions, and display of boards in the public places. Board to be displayed prominently, at least one at the entrance and one at the conspicuous place inside the public places. Minimum size of board should be 60 centimeters by 30 centimeters. It must be having a board no smoking area. Smoking here is an offense in respective Indian languages is applicable, and creation of smoking areas in their respective places. Smoking area means it can be created by hotels or restaurants or airports and other areas. Smoking area may be created in hotels having 30 rooms and restaurants having seating capacity 30 persons, and also established in airports. In their areas, smoking area and non-smoking area to be physically segregated, and smoking area shall be located in such a manner public is not required to pass through it on to reach the non-smoking areas. Each area should be contain a board indicating there are no smoking area and a non-smoking area. This type of boards can be displayed in the specially designed or created smoking areas by display of these like of posters. Designed smoking areas and no smoking in these areas. These type of boards can be displayed on these respective places in their hotels, restaurants, or airports, or created rooms by specially created smoking areas or rooms. This type of areas or rooms are specially designed for smoking habit persons. Nowadays, in Big Boss houses also create a specific smoking area rooms. Board at point of sale of tobacco products. This type of boards can be displayed on the sale of tobacco products. It includes smoking kills and also contains tobacco cancer. Tobacco causes cancer. Under the Section 7 of Tobacco Control Act 2003, Health warnings are on tobacco products package contains the following information. All tobacco products packages to carry prominent and legible health warnings. These warnings shall be also using pictorial in nature. These warnings should be given same language as given on the pack, and also all imported tobacco products should be also carry specified warning. These tobacco products are displayed with smoking kills and also contain tobacco causes cancer. Another product is displayed using smoking kills. Another products causes having health warnings like smoking causes throat cancer. Smoking causes throat cancer. Another products causes smoking cancer, lung cancer. Smoking causes lung cancer. These are the various types of health warnings displayed on the tobacco products packs. Under this Section 11 of Tobacco Control Act 2003 provides regulation of contents of tobacco products. It includes nicotine and tar. Contents of all tobacco products must be clearly displayed on the packets. The products having 8 mg of tar and 0.6 mg of nicotine and 9 mg of carbon monoxide can be displayed on the packs. These are contain tar and nicotine contents. The producers of tobacco products must ensure the harmful contents are written in the maximum permeable limits. The testing of tobacco products measure nicotine and tar contents to be done by only government recognized laboratories. Next one, provisions brought into force with effective from 1st May 2014 and also amended in December 2004. With effective from 1st May 2004 involves prohibition of smoking in public places, prohibition of advertisements, sponsorship and promotion of tobacco products, prohibition of sale of tobacco products to the minors, and some amendments or provisions developed from effective from 1st December 2004 includes prohibition of sale of tobacco and tobacco related products near to the educational institutions, and effective enforcement of provisions related to the acts and amendments in 31st May 2005 and further amendments in October 2006. In 2005, amendments includes ban of sale of tobacco products in vending machines, ban on sale of tobacco products to the minors, restriction on content, size and number of points of sale of advertisements, ban on visible stocking of tobacco products to prevent the brand sharing and advertising of tobacco products. Indirectly advertisements, ban on display of tobacco products in movies and televisions, and health warning to be placed on the bottom scroll in cinema halls and television programs, ban of display of names and logos tobacco brands in any manner during media coverage, international events sponsored by tobacco manufacturers, process of implementation of specified health warnings on tobacco packets. These are the amendments developed in 2005.